Okay, guys, I have a surprise for you guys. I am so excited that this has come in. I am not going to tell you what it is, but it is a brand new 2025, and everybody's been waiting for this one. So that's kind of a clue, but I'm excited because this is beautiful and the price is crazy. So if you're looking for a destination, this might be the one for you. So we're gonna go from the outside in. I actually have not seen the entirety of it. I just walked in and it's absolutely stunning from just standing at the doorway. So I'm excited. We're gonna go do this together. So let's start from the outside. Let's go. Okay, it is the Cottage Creek, and it is a fifth wheel destination. It is finally here. This is the one that everybody has been asking about. Now, if you are wanting to see or wanting one in general, you can call me, text, email, and put your name on the list because they actually have gone fast. Now, there hasn't been a ton made. If you're wanting to see it, I might be able to, one, I'm doing the video for it to help you guys, but two, if we have one, just call, text, or email, and I can check and see if we have one. But again, the ones that are coming in have already been sold. So call me if you would like to get put on the list. That way I can help you guys out, but it is a beauty. It is so pretty. So real quick, it's a 2025. The model is 41FWC. You've got this long awning, beautiful windows, and the door is giant. Let me just show you. It's a giant door. But I am absolutely in love with this unit. I mean, who wouldn't be in love with this unit? All right, let's take a look inside. Okay, they are about to do a second PDI, so they're gonna do a QAC and walk and clean it and make sure all things are great. But look at this. They did such a beautiful job here. I don't even know where to begin. So I'm gonna start right here. On the right hand side, we've got, looks like a pantry. It's a bathroom. Like I said, this is the first time that I'm seeing through the whole thing. This is beautiful. I love the colors that they use. Nice. Oh, yes. You can hang up your clothes. This is such a great idea. Nice big shower. Love it. I absolutely love it. I love the sink. All right. So, we've got a counter space over here, some storage area right here and down there. Some shelving, storage area above the fridge, this beautiful fridge that is better than mine at home, and I thought mine was great. You got lots of drawers. Of course, it's soft clothes. Who doesn't love a soft clothes? Nice big microwave. Got a 3-burner. Lots of storage. Got a nice size oven. Some more counter space, which is always nice. Oh, I love the pull-out trash can. Oh, yes. Okay, so yeah, I'm sorry guys, I get really excited about these things, if you haven't noticed. I love how much storage they have in here. I really, really do. Beautiful, huge sink. Let's see what we got. Yep. I'm gonna have all of this stuff in my house if I don't have an RV, or this RV. I love it. All right. Over here, we've got right in front of a beautiful window, we've got our table that can go down, breakfast table. Maybe you work from home. These look comfy. Absolutely. Love it. Love the colors. You've got you can have a seat, take off your shoes, hang up your coat, put your shoes right down underneath of that. They really did think of everything. I love the blackout curtains here. Some up top as well. Moving on to the living room. I love this couch and the beautiful window behind it. And then across, we've got our fireplace, entertainment. Love the backlight around it. It's stunning. We've got some cubbies, storage. We've got some drawers right here in the stairs. Of course, soft clothes. So nice. Look at it from over here. I mean, this is beautiful. Let's go up these stairs. And I like that the stairs have this. I mean, because you kind of have to have a little bit steep stairs, but that really, really helps. Love the windows up here too. So you got two oversized twin bed, or maybe two twin-sized beds right here. Or you can maybe put one king bed. And I know already that the kids will love it. All right, let's go on the other side. I like how long these steps are. We've got another bed over here, and this is bigger than a twin bed. I love the window over here. I mean, it's so nice. Kids love it. Here's the stairs for it. And our master bedroom. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay. I don't even know if this video is going to do justice, to be quite honest. So you got tons of drawers here. Nice TV. You got a little nook, side bench, drawers underneath as well. Beautiful windows here, guys. And look how high up I feel like I'm super high. Like high up in the air. I love it. It's so beautiful. I mean, imagine you are in the mountains or on some water, or have both in front of you, and you get to look out there and see the most beautiful view. But this is stunning. So you got a nice big bed, plenty of space still. Nice big bed. You got cubbies above, you got storage, cabinetry above. You got a beautiful, looks like a closet, so we're gonna go ahead and find out. Let's see. Yep, a nice big old closet here, which is great. I love the mirror. Absolutely stunning in my book, and I'm in love, and I cannot wait to show this unit. I'm super excited. I mean, it's like an apartment, but you get to own this apartment. It's absolutely beautiful. What do you think? Please let me know if you have any questions. And really, if you're wanting to see this, if you're wanting to not only come see it, if you want to be put on the list as to, if you're looking for one, they did go really fast. Every one of them that we have that have come in have already been sold, and there wasn't many that came in. So let me know, call, text, email. I will help you guys out as best as I possibly can, and we can go from there. But my information's down below. But yeah. All right, guys. Until next time.